Acumatica's production management application provides flexibility and automation to streamline manufacturing operations. Know what to make, how to make it, how much to make, and when to start production. Access detailed manufacturing costs, monitor work in progress, and gain insights with role-based dashboards, real-time reports, tailored generic inquiries, and actionable notifications. Acumatica supports multimodal manufacturing with various ways to manage bills of material, routings, and production orders. Use MRP to create production orders based on predefined bills of materials, routings, and demand forecasts for standard products in make-to-stock environments. Create custom bills of material and routings quickly by copying and editing existing records in make-to-order scenarios with production orders pegged to sales order lines. Configure BOMs for production orders with the rules-based product configurator. Leverage native PLM integration and connect CAD applications to harmonize engineering and manufacturing BOMs for custom engineered parts. Job shops use manufacturing estimates to create custom quotes based on customer specifications with unique bills of materials and production orders. Print production tickets to automate manufacturing data collection using barcode scanners. With a mobile device, you can easily scan the production order number. Next, scan the operation barcode. Now scan the location barcode. Finally, scan the barcode for the item and enter a quantity for the transaction. You can also backflush material or labor to automatically record transactions at defined control points in the production process when you manually enter data for upstream operations. Acumatica provides clock-in entry and separate entry screens for materials and labor from within the application. You can also report production in sequence or optionally report production out of sequence. The last operation posts finished goods to inventory, creates financial transactions for reporting and cost analysis, and clears work in process for the production order. Access production order maintenance to view related manufacturing activities and details. For example, an audit of all associated events is available for each production order. Side panels provide additional insights to view details such as material and labor summaries for each manufacturing operation. You can also identify critical material issues, view MRP results for the product, and analyze material and labor operations. Role-based dashboards empower manufacturing leaders with insights into production. Know which orders need to be released, identify late orders and past due operations, analyze labor and material variances, and other metrics such as scrap, downtime, and more. Dashboards provide drill downs to transactions for a better understanding of what's happening. You can also configure business events to notify managers when actions such as late operations or material shortages require their attention. Leverage reports to analyze production performance, review material and labor activities, locate lot and serial transactions, and view work center dispatch details. Drill down to source documents or detailed transactions and totals by production order. Acumatica's robust generic inquiries make it easy to obtain the information you need to identify critical materials, assess capacity constraints, and analyze production transactions. With Acumatica, you are just a few clicks away from every production order detail, such as events, including the source sales order demand document. Other production management features include outside processing for vendor services, such as heat treating, plating, and coating. You can also establish quality control procedures for in-process manufacturing transactions, capture detailed manufacturing costs, and configure the system for multiple base currencies by facility. See how Acumatica customers like AFF Group streamline manufacturing with Acumatica Production Management.
AFF Group is a textile manufacturing and distribution company that does 3 types of products: vinyls, foam, and laminated goods, and all primarily in the seating segment. So if you sit on a seat, whether it's an office seat, a golf cart, or a car, that's our type of product.
There was no such thing as safety stocks. Lead times weren't really discussed or being monitored. What Acumatica did was bring us up to speed and trained us on how to properly run our supply chain.
We've reduced our waste by 25%. We've also increased our production capability by 30% just by knowing when to manufacture what. We are in an old business, an old industry, textile manufacturing, and we're doing it a new way with partners like Acumatica because the digital transformation allows us to stay relevant for this century and beyond.